Let her come to me.
I have crossed the horizon to find you. I know your name. They have stolen the heart from inside you. But this does not define you. This is not who you are. You know who you are.
Who you truly are. Te Fiti.
The chicken lives.
I'm sorry about your hook.
Well, hook, no hook. I'm Maui. Te Fiti! Hey, I mean, how you been? Look, what I did was wrong. I have no excuse. I'm sorry.
You know, it'd be rude to refuse a gift from a goddess.
Thank you. Your kind gesture is deeply appreciated. Chee-hoo. Gonna miss you, drumstick.
You could come with us, you know. My people are going to need a master wayfinder.
They already have one.